How to fix Lemon8 not eligible. Please be reminded, not eligible can refer to a few different situations, primarily not eligible to use the app at all due to age or region restrictions, not eligible for specific features or contests within the app. Now, let's troubleshoot it. Lemon8 generally requires users to be 18 years of age or older. While some sources mention 13 above, their terms of service often state 18 above. If you enter the birth date that makes you underage, this is the most common reason for not being eligible. If you made a mistake with your birth date, you may need to contact Lemon8 support at contact@lemon8app.com to appeal or correct it. As of early 2025, Lemon8 has been shut down in the US due to ByteDance ban. There's no fix for this if you are in a region where the app is no longer available due to legal restrictions. You would need to be in a supported region. If you were able to use the app but receive a not eligible for participation message for a contest or specific feature, ensure your content adheres to Lemon8's community guidelines. Posting inappropriate or prohibited content can lead to restrictions or account termination.